Yogis! I'm Mimi, and I'm so happy you're here! Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to Nimi! Now, let's take a gentle breath together. Sit comfortably with your legs crossed. Rest your hands on your knees and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. This pose helps your mind slow down and tells your body you are safe. Raise your right arm up and gently lean to the left. This stretches your side body and releases stress. Now lift your left arm and bend gently to the right. Both sides of your body and thoughts. Sit with legs straight. Take a breath in, then bend forward gently, reaching towards your feet. That stretch just told your body to chill out. Come to your hands and knees. Breathe in and lift your head and chest. Breathe out and round your back like a cat. This flow releases stress hiding in your back and wakes up your spine gently. Lie on your belly and gently lift your chest up. This pose opens your heart and boosts confidence. Kneel down, bring your big toes together, and rest your forehead on the mat. That's your body saying thanks for the break. Step 1 foot forward into a lunge. Smile and breathe. Now switch sides. Bring your other foot forward and twist gently. Wonderful! You've stretched both sides and made your spine feel strong and balanced. Lie down on your back, bend your knees, and lift your hips up like a shining bridge. Keep breathing gently. Beautiful bridge! This pose opens your heart and gives you energy. Stand tall and lift one leg behind, stretching your arm like a graceful dancer. Pose improves focus and brings grace to your thoughts. Now switch to the other leg. Pose improves focus and brings grace to your thoughts. Stand tall, place one foot on your leg and bring your hands together in front of your chest. Drop that foot and try the other side. Take one last deep breath in, and slowly let it go. Thank you for practicing with me. If you enjoyed this yoga time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Yogi Buddies. See you in the next calm and happy session.